Welcome to my channel, and today we are starting our user management series. I will start by knowing how to create a user in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Let's begin by signing into our account. Click on the admin sign in. Wait for it to load. I'm signed in automatically. On the left hand side, click on user. Select active users. Click on add a user. Input the user's information. Let's say Joy. Joy Peters. Click on the username to input automatically. Then enter the user name. Let's say joy.p. Check if it is available. As you can see, it's available. Click on domains to select your preferred domain. That's if you have more than one domain. You can choose to use auto-generated password, or you uncheck to insert your own password. When that is done, make sure you check this to require the user to change their password whenever they first sign in. In this case, I will be using auto-generated password. Then you click on next. Select the user's location here. You can choose to assign license to a user, or you create without a license. In this case, I will be creating without a license. So I'll click on create users without a license. When that is done, you click on next. Click on the profile info to input users information, job titles, department, office, phone number, fax number, and so on. When that is done, click on next. Review your settings. When that is done, you click on finish. Then click on show password to copy the user's information, the username and password, then send to the user. And click on close. We are done creating the user. Then to assign role to the user we just created, you can scroll down and look for the user you just created, Joy Peter, or you come to search for the user's name. You can see Joy Peter. Click on enter. As you can see, this is Joy Peter. Double click on the name to bring out the user's information. Click on roles, manage roles. You click on admin center access. Choose a role that you want to assign to the user. Let's say AI administrator, then click on save. The user has been assigned a role of AI administrator. Okay guys, that's all we have for today. Do give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Bye.